Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor. Here are the top headlines for the day. Bitcoin holds steady above $1 lakh mark. ETF inflows and new developments that shape the sentiments, and altcoin highlights and market shifts. All in today's Coin Monitor. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So Bitcoin remained largely unchanged on Tuesday, trading at $1,05,370 mark, posting a marginal gains of over 0.2% over the past 24 hours. The world's largest cryptocurrency has now held about the $1 lakh mark threshold for over 25 consecutive days, indicating a potential renewed bullish trend. That's what the market analysts have said. And according to market intelligence firm Glassnode, there is a noticeable shift among the Bitcoin investors towards profit-taking behavior. Since Bitcoin broke its all-time high, the average coin sold has netted at least 16% in profits, making a significant uptick in the realized gains. The global crypto market cap was at around $3.32 trillion, reflecting a modest 0.2% uptick in the last 24 hours. On June 3rd, the US-based spot ETFs saw robust inflows. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded around $375 million in inflows, while the spot Ethereum ETFs followed with $109.5 million in the inflows. In a notable regulatory development, NYSE Arc has filed with the SEC to list the Truth Social Bitcoin ETF. Backed by Trump Media and Technology Group, the fund aims to mirror the price movement of the Bitcoin akin to the other spot Bitcoin ETFs. Meanwhile, the Donald Trump's meme coin has plummeted by 85% from its giant high and is currently trading close to around $11. XRP rose 2%, was trading at $0.23 amid rising optimism for the potential ETF in 2025. And Polymarket data now puts the probability of an XRP ETF at 92%, reflecting a shift in the investor sentiment. So the Spanish coffee chain Vanadi Coffee is set to invest over $1.1 billion in Bitcoin as a part of the treasury, inspired by the macro strategies aiming to transition into a Bitcoin-first enterprise. And the Solana-based meme coin platform Pump.Fund is reportedly preparing a $1 billion token sale, valuing the startup at $4 billion. Despite this, the meme coin continued to struggle with the fart coin, Pudgy Penguins, and the Popcats seeing steep double-digit losses. So Pepe, Bonk, and Floki were also trading in red. The real-world asset, that is the RWA tokens, gained momentum. Tokenized short-term funds, an emerging category blending traditional finance and the DeFi, have reached $5.7 billion in assets since 2021. And according to Moody's, and on the back of this growth, RWA-linked tokens such as the QNT, Sky, INJ, and Polyx recorded a modest gains of 4 to 5% today. So let's understand the technical outlook for the market. Bitcoin, which is trading close to around 1,05,500, faces a resistance near 1,06,800 and a support at $97,000 mark. Second largest crypto by market cap, Ethereum, remains strong above $2,600, buoyed by the ETF inflows and improving sentiment. And macro perspective, we're talking about the outlook for the market. The President Trump's proposal to raise tariffs on the steel and aluminum to 50% signaled a strategic push to bolster the US steel industry amid the intensified global competition. And market participants should monitor potential retaliatory measures evolving the trade dynamics, as these factors could significantly influence both domestic economic conditions and international market reactions. And investors are advised to stay alert and responsive to the emerging developments. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.0 TV. Thank you.